Huzur Aqdas, there may be a specific question that presently some mullahs are issuing fatwas on say in Islam women are not allowed to pursue studies and higher studies particularly, and for work, whatever kind of even teaching or other works, they should be kept in house, and so that they have a good sway over them. And also due to their fatwas, some young women were hanged in some part of Sylhet.
Is it right?
Yes, by they were a sangasar type of thing.
Unbelievable. Yes?
They took the law in their own hands. There is a hue and cry, and government is also trying to contain them. And intellectuals are also.
Ahmadi scholars in particular should give full support to the sympathizers of the women who work for their liberation, emancipation from such stupid, non-tolerant clergy, which has no right to be so, because they are supposed to represent Islam, which is the kindest religion I have ever come across, the most kind religion. Understanding very particularly towards women, the Islamic attitude is so benign and so wonderful and so respectful that in no other religion can you find the like of it. So on this, Ahmadi scholars should write articles. Your brother-in-law, tell him to write articles and publish them, and Jamaat Ahmadiyya should hold press conferences and support their views with the Quranic verses and the Sunnah, etc.
Inshallah.
There is so much substance available in Ahmadiyya literature to support this cause that there is no reason why you should not take the frontal position in this. Make the spearhead of the attack against this stupid attitude attributed to Islam. And it is particularly for the sake of Islam. It's already poorly treated in the whole world. It's already misunderstood so much, unfortunately, that in some countries there are times when Islam becomes our target for hatred. Even in England this happens, in Germany, everywhere. So these stupid mullahs, they don't know what they're doing. They're damaging the cause of Islam so much. On the one hand, there are efforts by Ahmadiyya Jamaat to convert the whole world into Islam. On the other hand, they quote these mullahs before us. They don't know the differences. How would they know that they also hate us and they are our enemies? But they represent Islam. As far as the rest of the world is concerned, they are the true representatives. Say, what are you, a small minority? Why should we listen to him? They know Islam, and this is their Islam. To destroy people, destroy opposition, to bend heads with force, to change opinions with the help of whatever coercion is available to you. What coercion you can use to change the minds. Now, how can you change the minds with force and coercion?
Right.
You see, heads can be bent, but not the wills. Wills are inside, They remain erect and they cannot be changed. So you can destroy hearts, you can pierce hearts, but you cannot win hearts with coercion.
Right.
So that is what has to be highlighted in your struggle against these so-called orthodoxy. They're not orthodoxies. It's a misnomer to apply the word orthodoxy to them. But anyway, so the world understands them to be the custodians of Islam, the spokesmen of Islam, unfortunately. So it's for Bangladesh Jamaat to take up the cudgel in their hand, and to lead the movement against,
Inshallah,
not the mullahs, against the misrepresentation of Islam. Remember this, that we do not believe in hating people. We believe in hating hatred. And they are spreading hatred. We hate that hatred,
Yes.
Yes, not them. And among them also there are also innocent people. I think large-scale contact should also be made with the ulama, because I know sometimes some ulama came to meet me and they were very hostile. Their behavior was rather obnoxious. But after a few hours with me discussing things, they completely changed. So Africa stands first in the whole world in this.
Yes.
But after that, I think it's Bangladesh.
Yes.
Where ulama can also change,
Yes.
except for a few ones. They are hardened ones, because there you have no hope, because Allah has declared that He has stamped their hearts and their ears, and there is a cover on their eyes. We can't say who that is, but Allah knows. But there are some people who would not change. It's impossible. Sawa'un alayhim anzartahum am lam tunzirhum la yu'minun. It's equal whether you make them draw their attention to God and try to make them fear Allah, or do not do it. They will remain the same. They are not going to accept faith.
Yes, Hazur. In Bangladesh, in the recent past, with your dua, some principals of madrasa and some ulamas have also accepted Ahmadiyyat.
Yes, I know.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. I have high hopes
Yes, inshallah.
of not only the common man of Bangladesh, for which I have very deep respect, but also of ulamas. I know there is a section among them who is very obnoxious in their hostility and who can be dubbed as, similar to those who are described in the verses I've quoted. But a large number among the ulama, they are innocent people, very simple and true as well. They only hate you because the image that is painted to them of Ahmadiyyat is really very, 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 let's say, if not, the least word is loathsome. I mean, once you see that picture yourself, even if you don't want to hate and oppose such things, such movements with force, loathsomeness is the word which comes to your mind. What a shocking thing, how it disturbs your sensibilities. The Ahmadiyyat they paint before the people is really loathsome. Once I told a mullah, I said, if this were Ahmadiyyat, I would not change sides with you in the sense of trying to oppose Ahmadiyyat with lies and all the false allegations, etc. But I could never love such a religion as you think it is. The minimum I could do would be that I would keep aloof. I said, no, nothing doing with this thing. But these people are not well trained in the discipline of Islam. They permit themselves to go to all excesses, beyond all bounds. Whatever they can, they take up in their hands, as you said,
Yes.
to even enforce law and order,
Yes.
as they think it should be enforced. So let's pray and hope.
Kindly pray for such people in Bangladesh.